Why is YouTube Analytics such an indispensable tool? Well, it's the key to unlocking your channel's full potential. YouTube Analytics offers a goldmine of insights into your videos, your viewers, and your performance. In today's video, we'll delve into this treasure trove, exploring watch time, audience demographics, YouTube Studio, and how to craft a data-driven content strategy. First up, watch time. This metric is your path to YouTube success. It represents the total number of minutes that viewers spend watching your videos. The longer viewers watch, the better your videos will rank. This is where YouTube's algorithm comes into play, prioritizing videos with higher watch times in search results and recommendations. Hence, boosting this metric should be a top priority. Analyzing your watch time reports can provide valuable insights, helping you understand what keeps viewers engaged and how to keep them watching for longer. Next, we turn to audience demographics. This is where you get to know your audience better. Understanding who your viewers are can help you tailor your content to their preferences. Are they predominantly male or female? What's their age range? Where are they located? This information is your secret weapon, allowing you to target your content to your viewers more effectively. Now let's take a quick tour of YouTube Studio. This is your YouTube HQ where you can navigate your channel's analytics, manage your videos, and much more. It's a one-stop shop for everything you need to run your channel. Knowing how to use YouTube Studio efficiently can save you valuable time and give you access to a host of features that can help boost your channel's performance. Lastly, we look at how to use these insights to create a data-driven content strategy. This is all about creating content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Using YouTube Analytics, you can gain a deeper understanding of what your audience wants and how your content performs. This knowledge allows you to make data-informed decisions, optimizing your content for maximum success. To summarize, YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that offers a wealth of insights. By understanding and utilizing watch time and audience demographics, navigating YouTube Studio, and crafting a data-driven content strategy, you can unlock your channel's full potential. Remember, the key to YouTube success lies in the data, so dive into those analytics and start growing your channel today.